Hey, thank you for joining Uncle Mike for the Dow Directions, a technical analysis of the Dow for February 10th. Well, let's take a look. We had one huge down day. I guess, like I said, this fib line could possibly hold, and it did. They didn't like the bank bailout situation. And actually it touched the lows back on 2.2 and on 2.5. So you can see the wick is right there down at the lows. Folks, any lower, we move the fib. The retracements here, because they're pegged right here at these lows, and we're touching. The T8, as you can see, is around 8,020, 8,050 right now, and we're below that. We're below our 20-day moving average at 82.25, and our 50-day average is now at 91.07. We really need to hold this 50-day moving average in order to confirm a short-term bottom has been put in. But at this point, it doesn't look too good. Let's take a look at our support and resistance. Let's do longer time frame. First off, the Dow broke below the downside support level of 83.76 19 days ago, which was a bearish sign. The most recently confirmed upside resistance level for the Dow is 93.27, and this is on a longer term. Now we'll take a look at our short-term support and resistance. The Dow broke below the downside support level of 81.84, which is a bearish sign. So now watch that 81.84 to pose as the resistance on our way back up. Let's check the Chande chart checkup. Overall price bias is downwards. Short-term prices are moving. Intermediate, they're trending. Again, we're still in a trend, a pretty narrow trend actually, from about January 12th, so just about almost a full 30 calendar days. The upper projected bound based on the Chande chart checkup is 84.54, and the projected lower bound is 72.78, so a ways from where we're trading right now. Let's take a look at our Rex Takasugi profile. The Dow closed down 382 points today, and volume was 15% above average. In Bollinger Band, still 67% narrower than normal. The short-term technical outlook is overbought for short-term. Intermediate term is bearish. Long-term is bearish. The Dow is currently 23.8% below its 200 period moving average, which is in a downward trend. The volatility was extremely high today when compared to the average volatility over the last 10 periods. There's a good possibility that volatility will decrease and prices will stabilize in the near term. We won't have the news that we had out today, except the next one around the corner is the stimulus plan. The volume indicators reflect volume flowing into and out of the Dow, and it's at a relatively equal pace currently. The trend forecasting oscillators are currently bearish and have had this outlook for the last 18 periods. The momentum set a new 14-period low, and the security price has set a new 14-period low, but the momentum has not. So the momentum oscillator is still, actually it's in a divergence, which is a bullish sign. So that's it for our outlook for the day. We will see you tomorrow. Same time, same channel. Please pass along, tell your friends if they're interested in a technical analysis of the Dow every evening to stop by and join Uncle Mike. Would be pleased to have them. And visit the website at www.teachtalktrade.com. Thanks, and we'll see you tomorrow night.